Good morning, children. Work hard and be courageous to achieve your ambition. Yes, children, last class we have learnt about the physical and chemical properties of acids. Say some physical properties. Good. Acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are colorless. Good. Acids are soluble in water. Acid change the color of the indicators. Children, now you take your worksheet. First, fill in the blanks. Yes, first chemical equation. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride. Zinc chloride and releases hydrogen gas. Second fill-up. Iron reacts with sulfuric acid to form ferrous sulfate and release hydrogen gas. Third one, calcium carbonate reacts with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate and carbon dioxide and water. Fourth one, calcium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride and water. Yes, what's the first fill-up? Zinc chloride, ferrous sulfate, calcium sulfate, fourth one, water. Check your answers. Now we are going to learn about the uses of acids. First point, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid present in our stomach helps in the digestion of food materials or foodstuffs. Helps in the digestion of foodstuff. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in our stomach. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in our stomach. We can see that foodstuffs here, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria swallowed along with food and makes the medium acidic. Okay. Second one, vinegar. Acetic acid is present in the vinegar, which is used to preserve food materials. Next point, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid also used to preserve food materials like pickles. Then fourth point, sodium or potassium salts. Sodium or potassium. Sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids are used to make washing and bathing soaps. Then fifth point, sulfuric acid is called the king of the chemicals. Sulfuric acid. What's the chemical formula? H2SO4. It is the king of chemicals. Yes, this sulfuric acid is an effective dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. What is dehydrating? To remove water. A sulfuric acid is used in various industries to make detergents. What is detergents? Soap, paints, fertilizers and many more chemicals. Fertilizers and many more chemicals. Then sixth point, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. This is the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid are important in laboratory reagents. Laboratory reagents. Then next one, cells are living organisms contains the fundamental nuclear material called nucleic acids. Cells, the animal cell as well as the plant cell contain nucleic material or nucleic acid. Plant cell contains RNA. What is RNA? Ribonucleic acid. RNA, ribonucleic acid. Animals contain DNA. What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA, ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA structure, you can see that. Is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. See the structure. Yes, you can see the DNA structure like this. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid are important laboratory reagents. Listen students, this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is used to preserve food materials like pickles. This acid is called sulfuric acid. Chemical formula is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals. Now we shall pass on to bases. Yes, children, we use soaps for bathing as well as what? Washing. Yes, soaps are slippery in nature. Soaps are slippery in nature. Do you know why soaps are slippery in nature? Due to the presence of base. Because of the presence of which one? Base. What are bases? Bases are chemical substances that are corrosive and bitter. We can see that bases. What are bases? Bases are chemical substances which are corrosive in nature and bitter in taste. And bitter in taste. Next, a lot of bleaches, soaps, detergents, kinds of toothpaste, etc. are bases. Give example for bases, say all of you. Soaps, detergents, then kinds of toothpaste. Bases release hydroxide ions. Bases release hydroxide ions in water. Then, thus the chemical substances that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water are called bases. Listen children. The chemical substances that release hydroxide ions were dissolved in water are called bases. Example, say sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. When sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, it releases sodium ion plus hydroxide ion. Then potassium hydroxide dissolved in water, it releases potassium ion, then hydroxide ion. Listen children, water soluble bases are called alkalis. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Second point, bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Say all of you, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. Then second one, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Third one, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Fourth one, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. The next one, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Yes, these are highly dissolved in water. Magnesium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. These are highly dissolved in water and form alkalis. And form what? Alkalis. Next one, certain chemical substances which do not release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water also behaved as bases. Listen, chemical substances do not release hydroxide ions chemical substances do not release hydroxide ions. These also behave as bases. Example, first one, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Chemical formula NaHCO3. Second one, sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. Third one, calcium carbonate. CaCO3. Yes, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. These are all the which one? Example for which one? Bases. So far we have learned about the uses of acids. Hydrochloric acids present in our stomach helps in the digestion of foodstuffs. Vinegar is used to preserve food materials. Benzoic acid is also used to preserve food materials. Bases. The chemical substances that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water are called as bases. Example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Listen children, you have to study about the uses of acids, then what are bases, and you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you children.